chemical equation, you have to take into consideration the numbers on each of these. There's C and H, which is carbon and hydrogen, I think, and plus Cl2, which is, so there's two of them, and then it goes to this side, the products and then the reactants. So when writing this out, what I like to do is we're going to do C and then H. I have no clue why that is so off-centered. Okay, I'm going to go like this, so CH, and then also, what is the other ones? Let's go to my camera, which is what it's on, and then Cl. And then there's, so again, HCl. And then there's also C. So we already have all those. We have C, and then, yeah. So on this, on the reactant side, we're gonna do 2 spaces for each of these, and then go over here. There is how much of C's. We'll just regular C, there is just one of them. And then of H's, there are 4. And then of Cl's, there are 2. So then there's that. And then on this side, we're going to do 2 again. And on this side of regular C's, there's 1 C here and 1 C here, so that equals 2 C's. And then on this other side, there is of Cl, no, it's of H right now. So of H is on this side, there is just 1. And then on this side, so the side for Cl, there is Cl4 plus Cl5. So there are 5 Cls on this side. So the first one that we would do to balance it out would be, I would think that we want to make the top, go from top to bottom. Let's just make C on the left side to 2. So if we go to C on this side, we do 2 times here, right? We just put a 2 here, and so we would do 2CH, 2CH, capital CH, and then subscript, command, comma, of 4, right? But that would make the 4, since it's going to be times 2, that would make this 4 turn into a, that would make the 4 turn into an 8, right? And then, so then we don't have this 4 anymore. So then the 8 over here. So then, but now this one turns into a 2. This one turns into a 2. Though, so then these ones are even. But the H's are not even, right? So, what we do after that, so we're just going to leave that 4 out of there for a second. So I need so the 4 is going to go here. Subscript, command, comma, 4. So there we go, and then there's the 4. The next one in this is, let's do the Cl, right? There's 2 of these on this side, and then there's 5 of these on the other side. So the way that we're going to want to do this is that we're going to want to times both of them, right? What's the next best thing? 10. So we're going to need to times the 2 by 5 and the 5 by 2. So when we do the 2 times 5, we're going to put a 5 here. So we're going to do plus 5 Cl, correct? Yeah, 5 Cl and then subscript of 2. Cl, and then we're going to do a couple spaces, so we have, so we're able to mess up. And then a subscript of 2. That's a 3 of 2. Now, when doing that, we are done with this side, because this side is balanced out, I believe. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do this, and then we're going to do this. And then after that, we're going to do space, couple spaces, and then we're going to do CCL4. I'm going to do this CCL4. And then we're going to do a couple spaces, go over, and then this is going to be 4, out, and then we're going to do the plus HCL, plus HCL. Then there we go. So there's that, and we also still need the underparts for this one. So when doing this part over here, we're working on the CL. So this one already would make this side a 10. So make that side a 10, and then we want to make this side also a 10. So put a 10 there, and then how much we would need times 2 to make this side a 10. So we need 2 here, but then also that changes the C on this side, and it makes the side A, so that's times 2, and then if it makes this side times 2, which that makes there's 2, so that means there's 3 on this side, and if that there makes that 3 on this side, they aren't even anymore. But what we can do is we can make them both turn into 6. So then we're going to do this. We're going to do this. Put them in commas, right? And then we're going to put it in more commas or more parentheses, because we're adding another one to this. And so we're going to need to get to 6 with them. So on this side, it's going to make this side a 3, but we need it to be a 6. So, yeah.